Okay, just got back with the second load, and I'm gonna get unloaded because it's really a lot of weight on my truck. And here's the first load. Well, I had some of these already, so it was mainly that and the top two here. So let's get unloading. And another thing I should mention, I did forgot in the one video, is crushed stone underneath them. Works really nice because then on the last one you can get your fingers underneath to get it up in the air. Plus it keeps all the water away from them and everything. Okay, let's get unloading here. Gotta take my time, don't get hurt, but I got about an hour to get it unloaded, although it shouldn't take me that long. Okay, beautiful stuff. This is the thermal surface. So they put water on it and then flame it, and as the water is evaporating quickly, it explodes some of the surface, giving you that textured. So it's got that textured look and feel, and keep it a little safer for walking on.